Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining today for the meditation for ADD and ADHD. One of the biggest reasons that ADD and ADHD have become so pervasive in our modern society is because we expect young kids full of energy to just sit down and be quiet and listen and pay attention to math and geography and writing when they're used to paying attention to very exciting movies and video games that make it very difficult for teachers to compete for attention. We're not trained on how to pay attention. We say sit down and pay attention, but we don't teach kids how to pay attention. I had very bad ADD and ADHD for pretty much all of my teenage years. I was on every different kind of medication there was. And thankfully, I discovered that meditation was the best medication. So today, we're going to do a super simple meditation that will help kids learn to pay attention, focus, and to relax and be able to sit still. Let's begin. First, we're going to start by gently closing our eyes, sitting in a comfortable place, a quiet place if we can find one, and just breathe. You already are breathing, but we're going to focus on our breath. We're going to notice each inhale and exhale. We're going to notice the air as it passes our upper lip, that subtle sensation, as our nostrils flare and then the air bristles past our nose hairs. We're going to feel that breath coming down the back of our throat and filling our lungs and expanding our bellies. And then it coming out the same way. Coming in our nose, expanding our lungs and expanding our belly. Contracting our belly, emptying our lungs, coming out our nose. Cool air coming in, slightly warmer air coming out. And just look closely and really feel all of the sensations that come with breathing. You can separate your teeth slightly so you're not clenching. You can relax every muscle in your body, really see if you're holding on to stress anywhere, and just let it go. I'm sure already you've had 1,000 thoughts pop into your head. Why am I doing this? This is crazy. This is a waste of time. Whatever is popping into your head. Maybe I'm loving this and this is very peaceful. But just watch the thoughts. Don't react to the thoughts. Don't go down a long train of thought. Just allow them to come. Allow them to go. Notice the nature of the thoughts, how they arise and fall away. And just gently, with no judgment and no resistance and no force, bring your attention back to your breath. Each time we bring our attention back to our breath, we're training our mind to focus on whatever we choose to focus on. We train our mind to be present and to pay attention. over time, we'll learn to be able to pay attention to our breath with the same amount of focus as watching our favorite movie or playing our favorite video game. And when you can do that with your breath, you can do that with your least favorite class. Just really look at your breath with curiosity. No judgment, no labeling, just an intense interest on your breath. What is the feeling? What is the sensation? And you don't have to label it. Just feel it. Experience it and watch your breath. Thoughts coming into your head is completely normal. Just observe your thoughts, but don't follow your thoughts. Just allow them to be, and gently bring your attention back to your breath. If you find yourself fidgeting or tapping your foot or any other kind of movement or any other kind of itching or scratching or pain that's coming up, just observe that too and allow it to be. All of these habitual thinking patterns or unconscious actions of tapping or fidgeting, we're just going to bring our conscious awareness to this so that it no longer is unconscious, so that we control our mind and our body consciously and with intention. Just observe your breath coming in and going out. So simple and so powerful. You'll be able to have superhuman patience and focus. Now, slowly open your eyes and bring that calm awareness to the rest of your day as you slowly transition out of the meditation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that was helpful. You can do that for a few minutes every day, and maybe the second week you make it a little longer, and the third week a little longer. And soon, hopefully, you can maybe do 10 or 20 minutes. And I think you'll notice a real change. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.